Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to point domain to web hosting. Now this is very important. I want you to pay absolute attention so you don't miss out. Now in the previous video I showed you how you can link a Namecheap hosting or a Namecheap domain to Namecheap hosting, and that is very simple. But in a situation where your domain you didn't get it from Namecheap, because I told you that we have different types of domain registrars, that Namecheap is one of them. We have TrueHost, we have Hostinger, and we have Bluehost, and so many of them. So let's say you bought a domain from another domain registrar, and then you want to connect your domain to Namecheap hosting. And this is how you do it. It's very simple, but you need to pay absolute attention. So let's say you bought your domain from TrueHost, truehost.com. So this is TrueHost website. So if you don't have account with them, you can create account with them if you want to. So I have a domain here. So let me go ahead and log into my TrueHost account. Alright, this is the dashboard of my account. So what I'm going to do is that I'll come over to where I have domains. I'll click on domains. Now let's say I want to point this domain to Namecheap, scholarprime.com.ng. I want to point it to Namecheap. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come over here and click on this, and then click on manage name servers. Now no matter the domain registrar you're using, you must always find a similar way of editing name servers. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to edit my name server and impute the name servers of Namecheap. So let's say I want to host with Bluehost. I will just edit my name server and then impute the name server of Bluehost. Alright, so this is what we have. So now, if you check this name server 1, name server 2, name server 3, and the rest of them, this name server belongs to TrueHost. This guy too belongs, all these name servers say this domain is hosted on TrueHost hosting. So that is why it contains the name servers of TrueHost. Now, I want to point this my domain to Namecheap hosting. How do I do that? It's very simple. First of all, to do that is that you have to know the name server of Namecheap. So it's very simple. If you want to get the name server of Namecheap, it's very simple. You can open a new tab on your browser, and then you type Namecheap name servers. So I will click on this guy. So I will scroll up. So now if you check here, hosting name servers. Now, this guy is the default name servers. I'm not going to copy this. The one we are going to copy is this guy here under hosting name server. So we are going to copy this guy. We're going to copy this guy here. I'll come over here to TrueHost. I'll paste it here. I'll come over again. Copy the second name server. I will paste it. Alright, so you delete this guy. You delete this guy, and then you change name servers. Now, when you do this, it's going to point this domain to Namecheap web hosting. So if I should edit this guy now and put the name server of Bluehost, change this guy to name server of Bluehost, what will happen is that this domain will be pointed to Bluehost hosting, and I'm sure you guys understand me. So I'm going to click on change name servers. Now, changes saved successfully. Now you see, you can change where your domain points to here. Please be aware, changes can take up to 24 hours to propagate. So what is going to happen is that we are going to give it some time to propagate. Oftentimes it takes just 30 minutes, 1 hour, or sometimes 3 hours. But I'm going to wait for like 30 minutes. Then I will go to Namecheap and then add this domain. So what will happen is that in the next video, I will show you how you can add this domain to Namecheap web hosting. Now, if you have really benefited from this video, I would like you to like this video and then subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next video.